Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2017 Toyota Sienna SE. Now the most notable features on this SE is its power sliding rear doors. You also have your heated front seats as well as your backup camera. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this 2017 Toyota Sienna SE. Let's get started. Now a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this SE is its daytime running lights. You also have your fog lamps, and then if we take a closer look just over on the side, you have your 19-inch aluminum alloy wheels. You also have your foldable mirrors as well as your heated mirrors. As you can see, you also have the window visor guards. And I'm just going to show you really quickly just what the second row is actually going to look like. So as you can see, you have your captain seats located in the second row here. And then you also have the sunshade visors just located in the third and second row windows as well. And then you'll find the close button to actually close the door just located on the inside here. Just push on the button once and it will close for you automatically. Now the color we're going to be taking a look at today is black, and taking a closer look now just at the front dash as well as the front seats. You have your leather interior with your power driver's seat with lumbar support. Traction control on and off, and then on the inside of the driver's side door you have your mirror controls, window locks, power locks, and window controls. Now a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your volume control, seek function, mode select, as well as your voice recognition, Bluetooth connectivity. You have your scroll function for the multi-informational display along with your cruise control, and then if we take a closer look just at the multi-informational display, you'll see a couple of different features on here. So if we actually take a closer look, you have the digital speedometer with the distance to empty, fuel economy, as well as being able to go through your audio, messages, and settings menu as well, just so you can personalize everything for yourself. Exterior temperature gauge. Taking a closer look now at the center dash as well as the touch panel display, you'll see a couple of different features on here. So if you go inside the apps menu, you'll find your audiophone, eco, as well as a couple of other additional features. Temperature control settings will be located down below for the dual zone climate control with your rear temperature controls located down below. Hazard lights, matted to an automatic transmission. USB and auxiliary input with the power outlet, and heated seat controls for your driver and your passenger. Up top you'll find the auto dimming rear view mirror with the integrated garage door opener and digital compass. And then you'll also find the open and close for the power sliding rear doors, power lift gate, and then you also have the sunglass case holder. Taking a look at the backup camera, as you can see, you have those nice guiding lines in there, making things much easier for you when you back into a stall. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate. Now, located just on the back of the tailgate, you'll find the backup camera just located on the left-hand side, and the rear hatch release located underneath. Closing in on the rear cargo space, as you can see, you have a 60-40 split for the third row, so as you can see with all the seats folded down, you have plenty of cargo space located in the back there, but if you need more additional space, you can actually fold down the second row seats for yourself as well. Now, the instructions are located on the back of the seats there, just in case you do forget how they fold or unfold. And then if you have the seats folded up, you still have plenty of cargo space located down below as well. Now, over on the right-hand side, you'll find the power outlet, and then when you're all finished up, all you have to do is just push on the back of the tailgate once, and it will close for you automatically. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sptoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comments section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.